Hi friends, Mr. Kevin here with the Children's Museum of the Lowcountry in Charleston, South Carolina. And it's time to look at another brown bag STEM challenge. Now if you were doing this at the museum, you would get a bag of supplies like this. And those would be the only supplies you could use to defeat the challenge. But you can do this at home too. You're just going to have to find some supplies that you already have in your house. Now today's challenge is to make a paper airplane and see who can make the paper airplane that goes the farthest. Or if you're the only one making an airplane, you can try your first design and then try to make another design that can go even farther. Now since the challenge is to make a paper airplane, you're going to want some paper. But I suggest finding a lot of different kinds of paper, different weight, different thickness, so that you can experiment and see which one is going to work the best for you. You could try newspaper, which is kind of thin. Just make sure your parents are done reading the newspaper because they might feel sad if you make it into an airplane when they're not done reading. You could try grocery bags. You can use scissors if you need to cut your paper smaller. You can use construction paper, index cards, cardstock, even cereal boxes, which would be very thick and heavy, but they might fly. You can roll the paper different ways to make different shapes. Here's a tube. You can fold the paper into different shapes. You can add weight to your airplane. You can use tape to add a little bit of weight or to hold certain pieces down. You can use paper clips. Are nice because you can slide them on and they'll stay where you put them, and they'll add weight too. And you can experiment by adding and subtracting weight to get the perfect balance, and you can change where the weight is dispersed to see how you can make your airplane fly. Whoosh! That's how mine flies. Maybe yours will do loop-de-loos. Maybe it'll do barrel rolls. Maybe it'll go really low. Maybe it will go really high. See how far your airplane can fly. Once you finish your design, you can try a couple different designs. Once you find your favorite, take a picture of it and you can share it with us on our Facebook at ExploreCML, or you can tag us on Instagram, or you can use the hashtag CHSPlays. Thanks for playing. Have fun making your airplane.